Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Khushbu Gandhi and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, hair care and everything related. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel because I create awesome content and you don't want to miss on any of that. Now the amount of skincare that I experiment with is crazy. It's literally crazy, But I also feel lucky to be in a profession wherein I get to try so many new products and then I come over here and share my 2 cents with you guys. Now L'Oréal Paris recently came up with their Revitalift Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So this is a serum which has like a really good concentration of hyaluronic acid. And for a person like me who struggles with dry skin, this little buddy has proven to be such a blessing. I mean, especially these days when the weather is transitioning and there's so much of dryness in the air. I mean, this has become a constant in my skincare. Now I am a sheet mask addict and proudly so. I mean, they just give your skin that instant lift me up. I mean, what is there to not love in a sheet mask? I just thank Korea for this beautiful gift of skincare to us. So when I came to know that L'Oréal Paris has launched their hyaluronic acid serum mask into a sheet mask also, I was so excited because on one hand you have hyaluronic acid which my skin loves, then on the other hand we have a sheet mask which I personally love because it is a no fuss skincare, and then you combine them together and this is what you get. So this is the latest launch by L'Oreal, which is their L'Oreal Paris Revitalift freshly mixed hyaluronic acid serum sheet mask. So the agenda of this video is that I will be trying this sheet mask and I will be sharing like live results with you people, and I'll just show that what happens when you serve your skin some good quality hyaluronic acid. This sheet mask is so much different than what you already have in the market. I mean, I have tried this sheet mask twice before I shot today's video. So this is like literally a next generation sheet mask and it is so different in so many ways. Number one, it is a fresh mix. So normally when you buy a sheet mask, it is a ready to use thing, but with this one there's a process that I'll just show in which you have to make sure that the serum reaches the sheet mask and is completely absorbed by it. So the reason why they have kept the serum separately is that in this way the serum is kept absolutely fresh, it is absolutely intact, and then when you instantly mix it, you instantly apply it. I feel there is no change in anything in the serum. Then secondly, the mask, the quality of the mask is also far more superior because it is made from natural algae extract, so it can hold so much more moisture than a regular sheet mask. And this you will see because I've used this sheet mask before also. So this is what I observed, that even when the entire serum is soaked in this particular mask, when I take it out, there was no dripping. I mean, if any one of you over here has used a sheet mask, you can vouch for it that whenever we take out the mask, there's so much of droplets falling, but with this nothing of that sort was happening. So the quality of the mask is also extremely superior. And a very important reason why I feel this mask is superior is the fact that the hyaluronic acid that is used in this sheet mask is of the highest concentration that is available there in the market. Now hyaluronic acid is actually a blessing to skin because no matter what your skin type is, we all need good hydration, and hyaluronic acid is that component which can hold so much more moisture and can keep your skin hydrated and plump. So having something like this in your skincare is actually going to prove beneficial in the long run, because if your skin is well hydrated, it is going to be plump, the collagen is not going to break down, and there will be a kind of glow that people are crazy for. So according to me, this sheet mask have a lot of benefits which makes it different from others in the market, and now I'm super excited to tell you how we are supposed to use it and then share the results with you guys. On this side we have the dry sheet mask and over here we have the hyaluronic serum, and this is the passage from where the serum will travel to the dry sheet mask. There are two dotted lines on the packet of the mask which are going to serve as the guideline. We will hold the mask upside down and take this first dotted line and fold the mask from there. You have to make an effort to push all the serum on the forward side. Then we will use the second dotted line as our next guideline and fold the mask just the way I am showing it. So now all the serum and the passage are in front of each other, and now you just have to lightly push the serum, and within a second you will see the serum will start transferring to the sheet mask. You don't have to apply a lot of pressure. It is very easy to do. You just have to use your fingers to push all the serum on the other side, and when you open it you feel that okay, some serum is left, you can push it that ways also, and just like that you can see all the serum is now transferred to this side. So now you have to hold the sheet mask upside down and cut the packet from here. There is a, like a mark made over here. So you have to cut it from here. Very easily. It's very easy to just cut. Okay. All right. So this is the sheet mask. It is so loaded with serum, you guys. When you will use it, then you'll understand. And now I will wear it on my face. This sheet mask is so loaded with serum, but it did not feel heavy at all. I mean, it is probably, I don't know why, because I think it's made of algae extract or whatever. It just felt so light and breathable, and the way it sat on my skin, it is just so perfectly made for Indian face shapes. I face this problem with so many sheet masks that they're either too small or too big, but this was perfect, and now I will keep this for 15 minutes because that is what is instructed. I will also show you a close up of how well this sheet mask is sitting on my face. It was not a problem wearing the sheet mask at all. I also did a little, head dance to show how well it is sitting, and it did not move an inch, although I did get a massive head rush. But yeah, the sheet mask did not budge an inch. So far, so good. And by the time the mask is resting on my face, I will be using all the extra serum on my neck and on my, hands, because that's what I do. I use every dot of the product. And just like that, our 15 minutes are over. And now I'll be taking off this sheet mask. There is something so satisfying about taking off a sheet mask, like I can't express in words. Now, there's still a lot of serum on my face, so I'm just going to lightly massage it. The concept with sheet masks is never to get the entire serum to be absorbed in your skin. You just have to massage it and let it do the magic. You can see, I mean, it is so visible that my skin, it has become so plump. It is feeling like so hydrated, and like right now though I've been using this sheet mask for quite some time and the serum and all for quite some time. The first time when I used this, I mean, it was so magical. Like I could not stop touching my face. It was feeling so hydrated and so refreshed, and I can tell you that it will suit all skin types, because it is hyaluronic acid is good for all skin types, but especially if you are a dry skin person, this is a sheet mask that I can swear by. I mean, it is so good. It will make your skin so revitalized, so plump. You are just going to love your skin for the fact that you have used this product. This whole sheet mask experience will leave your skin super plump, super hydrated, and what you can do is, once the entire serum has settled, you can take like a few drops of this Revitalift. I'll show you how. And this, you can like slightly just apply it all over your face, and your skin will love you. It would literally be bursting with joy, because you have given it the gift of hyaluronic acid. Trust me, if you start using these two products in your skincare routine, the difference that you will see in your skin, it will be so much, and it will not take a lot of time to see those changes. They'll happen very soon, and you'll just appreciate your skin so much more. You can easily wear this sheet mask 2 to 3 times in a week. I mean, there's nothing like too much hyaluronic acid, and if you pair it up with the serum thing, which I think should be applied every day, trust me, your skin is going to speak for itself. Now these sheet masks are priced at 200 rupees, 199 to be precise, and for what all they are giving you, I would say that they are extremely reasonably priced. I mean, these sheet masks are so superior, so advanced from anything else that there is in the market. I really honestly feel that the price of this sheet mask is 100% justified. So this was all that I wanted to share about this super awesome sheet mask from L'Oréal Paris. I really want you guys to try it, because I try crazy amount of skincare, and I can like clearly tell when what is a good skincare and what is not. I mean, your skin is going to love it. If you want to buy it, there is a link that I've mentioned in the description box below. You just have to click it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't up until now. I will see you again with a new video. Until then, bye bye, take care, lots of love, and keep your skincare game intact, because this is the best thing God has gifted you. So please take care of it.